welcome back to English Turista. I'm Milas, your host. And I'm Indah. We are both students in English for Tourism Industry at State Polytechnic of Malang. Today we are discussing a topic very close to our hearts, especially for students, the benefit of traveling. That's right, Dila. Traveling is so much more than just taking a picture. It helps us grow and learn. We have four main points to cover today. Why traveling is educational, how it helps personal growth, how it builds knowledge, and some affordable way for students to travel. Okay, let's start with the first big benefit. Why traveling is educational? Indah, why do you think travel beats sitting in a classroom sometimes? Well, traveling helps us learn things outside the classroom. It's experiential learning. I agree with you, Indah. Instead of reading about places in textbook, we get to see real places, meet real people, and gain new experiences, right? Exactly. Seeing the world makes our minds more open and we understand the world better. That's a great summary of educational benefits in there. Moving on, let's talk about how traveling helps our personal growth. This is crucial for students. Absolutely. One of the best things is that we become more confident when you are traveling alone or with friends. You have to talk to strangers, navigate new places, and handle unexpected situations. And it forces you to step up. We learn to be independent and responsible when we are away from home. You can rely on your parents or teachers for everything. You also learn how to solve smart problems by yourself. Maybe you miss a bus or different places. You can find the right streets. Solving this issue is build resilience. Speaking of learning, our third point is that traveling builds knowledge. How does visiting different places expand our minds in that? We can learn history, culture, and tradition directly. Reading about Borobudur Temple is one thing, but standing here and feeling the history is completely different. And it's a great way to practice our language skill, especially for us that studying English for tourism industry. We can practice talking with new people. This makes our mind more open and curious about the world. Think of it like this. If our education is a tree, the classroom is the main trunk where we get our core strength. But traveling is like the branches and leaves, letting us reach out, absorb new light, and grow much wider and stronger. That's a wonderful analogy in that. It really shows how travel complements our studies. Now, let's address the biggest concern for many students, money. We need affordable ways for students to travel. Can you explain it in that? Managing your budget is the first and most important step. Plan ahead and track your spending. Also, think about how you travel. You can join school trips, which often have better group rates, use public transport instead of taxis, or go backpacking with your friends. Backpacking with friends is a perfect trip because traveling with friends allow you to split the bill on things like accommodation and food. It makes travel much affordable. So, to recap our main points of the benefits of traveling for students, traveling is educational because we learn outside the classroom. It helps personal growth by making us more confident, independent, and better at solving problems. It builds knowledge by letting us learn history and culture directly, and we can travel cheaply by managing our budget and splitting costs with our friends. We hope these tips inspire all of you at State Polytechnic of Malang to plan your next adventure. The world is waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on English Turista. We also want to give a special thank you to Kak Ika Dwi Rahmawati for providing this great benefits. Goodbye for now. See you on the next episode.